Just the other day, me and a few friends, we were walking and we came across this group of girls. So we just decided, oh yeah, let's talk to them. And we were talking to them for quite a while. And it was like this group conversation. We were talking, and I slowly started to notice, I'm quite silent in this group conversation. Like, it's being mainly dominated by a single person. But I'm a very small percentage of the conversation. Why is this the case? How do I get better at this? Because imagine like you're with this group and you're like 5%, 10% of what's being said in total. It's quite minuscule, to be honest, and it's quite sad. Like, imagine you're with these people and you're just like, you have nothing to say. You don't know how to inject yourself into the conversation. So you're just like sitting there like some little weirdo in that conversation where you aren't saying anything. It's not very nice. Obviously it's not. So we want a way to solve this problem, because you can't really avoid this all the time. Are you just gonna like walk away whenever your friends are in a group? Obviously not. So you need some way to get better at group conversation, so you aren't just like overran by everyone else. So you actually have like a place in it, so people are paying attention to you in the conversation. So I was telling that same thing, he was like dominating it. Yeah bro, how do you do that? I'm not that good with group conversations yet. I want to get better. How do you dominate a group conversation? He didn't get it. Like he looked at me straight like, what? How I don't see it. What's difficult about it? If you're good with talking to one person, why aren't you just good at talking to like groups? So I told him, well, think of it like this. A single group conversation, it's like a ball game. Like let's say football. And you're passing to each other. I have the ball, I pass it to the person I'm talking to. Like, the balls are like conversations. They have the ball, they pass it to me, and it's back and forth. And maybe at one point they'll have the ball for a while, but they'll always pass it back to you. In group conversations, it's kind of like, it's weird to me, isn't it? Kind of like you need to chase the ball. Like, there's one ball, it's being kicked around. You need to, like, it's a real game of football. You're running after the ball, trying to get it. It's not being passed to you. How do you even work with that? Like, isn't it different skills to just like take a ball that's being passed to you, to like getting a ball at someone else? It didn't make much sense to me. Like, these are completely different skills, I thought. But what he said was a bit surprising, and it acts as a lesson for you, because this advice, I truly believe it does work, but also it works for me as well. Because like, I'm reiterating the advice I heard, and it'll like be injected into my brain more. Teaching is the best way to learn. So I'll learn it more, and I'll be able to remember this next time I have a group conversation. So we both learn here. So in a group conversation, it's like one person is passing the ball to the other, and instead of tackling for the ball and trying to get the ball and, doing all of this like weird enemy stuff. Like, you want enemies with these people. These are your allies. It's just a ball game. You're passing, bro. What you have to do, and I know this is gonna sound it's gonna sound weird. You just have to like create a new ball. Like, just break the laws of physics, manufacture a new ball out of thin air, and just use that ball and pass it to someone else. Like, there's some free people, bro. You can have multiple conversations, like these mini conversations, in this big conversation pool, and then you can like tie this mini conversation to the big conversation, and then it's all like wrapped around and it's all intertwined. The point is, in a group conversation, you aren't required to follow the scene. Like, someone will create a ball, you aren't required to follow that ball and try and get it. You can just say something completely different to someone else in the conversation. That's the beauty of a group conversation. Imagine if it was just one at a time, where you all need to just listen to one person. Like someone says, oh, well, how's your day today, bro? And now everyone is waiting for his response before they speak. oh, my day is good. And everyone is just waiting. Oh yeah, that was good that your day is. It's weird. Like, the point of a group conversation is that multiple people can be talking. It's not one at a time. So you can just talk to different people within the group. Oh, those people are having a conversation. Let me just create a new ball and break the laws of physics and pass that ball to someone else. And we can pass to each other. And then at some point, oh, I can kick this ball over to the person there because now he's free. You see how it works, where you can have a conversation with someone who is free, who isn't talking to anyone right now. And then every now and then, the ball from a different conversation will be passed to you. So it's not about waiting for your opportunity, waiting for the perfect moment where everyone is silent and is waiting for you to talk. It's about creating the opportunity. It's about creating a new ball. Don't wait for it to be passed to you. Just ball and just pass it to whoever you want to. And just have a conversation with them, and then after a while you can interlace the conversation with the people around you, and you're still like involved in this big group whilst having this mini conversation, and now you have an inside joke with this person during the mini conversation, and you're more connected to them, and then you're talking to everyone else, and it's still incredibly fun. You see how that works? You aren't limited. Create as many balls as you want, bro. Create as many balls as you want. That's all you need to do. It's a weird analogy, I know, but I think this way it's way more understandable. Everyone is talking, you just randomly say, oh yeah, how's your day going, by the way? I don't think I've met you. And you start talking to them, and it's fun, and then you notice someone else in a different conversation says something that you resonate with, or it piques your interest. And then you comment on that. Oh yeah, I remember doing that at one point. Yeah, have you guys been to this place? And now it's like it's all going together. And by doing this, you become the life of the party because you'll be talking a lot more. It'll be like you're dominating the conversation. But in reality, you're just playing a simple ball game, and you're creating new balls, and no one else knows how to create new balls because no one else knows how to break the laws of physics like you do. So break the laws of physics, create new balls, and I hope this video helped you. Check out the top link in the description. It's the social protocol where you learn exactly how to get better at socializing. There's like a course in there, which is a full video sequence that will literally get you better at making friends, at getting dates. There's a community of people who are like you, who want to get better at socializing, who want to make more friends, who want all of these results and have these goals, so you can literally ask for advice from, who you can meet up with and make friends with them. There's weekly calls. I'll see you in there. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye bye.